This is the history of Dubai. It is a very long story. Dubai is now a big modern city with many tall buildings. But long, long ago, it was very different. Many, many years ago, more than 100,000 years before today, people lived near the sea where Dubai is now. The land was wet. It had big swamps with trees in the water. Slowly, the water went away. The land became dry and good for living. Around 3000 BCE, people came to stay. They were families who moved from place to place. They kept cows and sheep. They started to grow date trees. Dates are sweet fruit. This was the first time people grew food in the dry land. The date trees helped them live better. In the year 500 CE, there was a special stop place in Jumeirah. People came there with camels. They rested and traded things like food and clothes. They traveled from Oman to other far places. The first time a person wrote the name Dubai was in the year 1095. A smart writer from far away put the name in his big book. Later, in the year 1580, a man from Italy came by boat. He saw people diving in the sea. They looked for pearls. Pearls are small, shiny white balls from the sea. People wear them as beautiful jewelry. Dubai pearls were very good and famous. The people in old Dubai lived a simple life. The men went to sea in small wooden boats. They fished for food. They also dived deep in the water to find pearls. Diving was hard work. They held their breath for a long time. It was dangerous, but they got good money. The women stayed home. They cooked food, cared for children, and helped make clothes. Families traded with big ships from India, Pakistan, and China. They sold pearls and bought gold, spices, and nice cloth. Life was about the sea and trade. In the late 1700s, a big, strong tribe called Bani Yas became important. In 1793, they had power in the Abu Dhabi area. At first, Dubai was part of that group. In the year 1820, the leaders of Dubai and nearby places made an agreement with Britain. Britain is a country far across the sea. Bad men called pirates stole from ships. The agreement helped stop the pirates. This made trade safer and bigger. Then came the big change in 1833. A leader named Sheikh Maktoum bin Butti came with about 800 people from his tribe. They settled at the mouth of Dubai Creek. Dubai Creek is a small river that comes from the sea. They said Dubai is now free and its own place. They did not want to be under Abu Dhabi anymore. The Al Maktoum family started to rule Dubai from that day. They are still the rulers today. This is how modern Dubai began as a small fishing village. The people built strong walls around the town to keep it safe. There was a big fort called Al-Fahidi Fort. It helped protect the city from enemies. The fort is still there today. You can visit it and learn about old times. Dubai grew slowly as a good trade city. In 1894, the ruler said foreign traders pay no tax. This was very smart. Many people from Iran came to live and trade. They built houses in a place called Bastakia. The houses had special wind towers on top to bring cool air inside. People from India also came. They opened shops. By 1903, big steamships from Britain stopped at Dubai. It became an important port. The biggest work was pearl diving. In 1917, it was the best time ever. One small pearl could buy a lot of gold. Hundreds of boats went to sea every year. But hard times came in the 1930s. Japan made cheap pearls in factories. There were big money problems in the world. Pearl trade became very small. The last big pearl trip from Dubai was in 1949. Many families became poor. In 1958, a new ruler came. His name was Sheikh Rashid bin Saeed Al Maktoum. He was a very wise man. He wanted Dubai to grow big and strong. He opened the first airport. Planes could now come from far countries. He made the creek deeper with machines. Now bigger ships could come to trade. He borrowed money to start big building even before oil. He built roads and schools. He helped people. In 1966, they found oil near Dubai. Oil is black liquid from under the ground. It makes cars go and gives money when sold. This was very happy news. Oil money came in 1969. It changed everything. The ruler used the money to build more. He made Port Rashid. Later, he made Jebel Ali Port. Jebel Ali is now one of the biggest ports in the world. Ships from everywhere come there. In 1971, Britain said they will stop helping protect the area. So Dubai and Abu Dhabi and 5 other small places joined together. They made one new country called the United Arab Emirates, or UAE. This happened on December 2nd, 1971. Every year on this day, people have big celebrations with fireworks and flags. Dubai is one of 7 parts in the UAE. Each part has its own ruler, but they all work as one big family. Sheikh Rashid helped lead the whole UAE too. Sheikh Rashid was very clever. He knew oil will not last forever. He said we must make money from trade and visitors too. He made special free zones. In free zones, companies pay very little tax. Many big companies from all over the world came. This brought more jobs and money. Sheikh Rashid ruled until 1990. Then his son, Sheikh Maktoum bin Rashid Al Maktoum, became the ruler. In 2006, Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum became the new ruler. He is still the leader today. He is also the Prime Minister of the whole UAE. He loves horses and helps many people with charity. Under these good leaders, Dubai grew very, very fast. In 1999, they opened Burj Al Arab. It is a hotel that looks like a big white sail on a boat. It stands on an island in the sea. It is very famous and very expensive. Rich people from everywhere stay there. They made big islands in the sea with sand and rocks. One is called Palm Jumeirah. From high up, it looks like a giant palm tree with many leaves. People live in beautiful houses there. They swim in the sea and see nice views. There are more islands like this. In 2010, they opened Burj Khalifa. It is the tallest building in the whole world. It is 828 meters high. That is taller than many mountains. You can go to the top and see the whole city and the desert and the sea. It is named after the leader of Abu Dhabi who helped Dubai. Dubai built a fast train called the Metro. It has no driver. It is clean and quick. People use it to go to work and shopping. There is a big mall called Dubai Mall. Inside, it has the biggest aquarium in the world. You can see sharks and many fish swim. People come from all countries to shop, eat, and have fun. In 2021, Dubai had a big event called Expo 2020. It was supposed to be in 2020, but moved because of sickness. More than 24 million people came from all over the world. They saw new ideas about the future, new machines, and new ways to live. It made Dubai even more famous. Today, Dubai has more than 3 million people. Most of them come from other countries to work. The city has tall, shiny buildings that touch the sky. It has clean beaches, big parks, and fun places like water parks and desert trips on camels. There is a museum of the future. It shows what the world may look like in coming years. People visit old Dubai too. There are traditional markets called souks. You can buy gold, spices, and clothes like in the old days. Small wooden boats called abras still take people across the creek. Dubai changed from a small, quiet fishing village with no electricity to a world city in only about 50 years. The leaders worked hard. The people worked hard. They used the sea, the desert, and smart ideas. Now Dubai is a place where people from everywhere come to live, work, visit, and dream big. It shows that even a small place can become very great with good plans and strong hearts.